Hello everyone, I'm Tammy from Chengdu Mind IoT technology company. Mind is a nearly 30-year-old RFID smart card, smart label manufacturer at the top of the industry. Our headquarters is located in Chengdu City, Sichuan Province, China. Our factory has a construction area of more than 20,000 square meters, with 24 production workshops covering 33 fine processes, and employees are more than 300. Today, let's go deeper into Mind's production workshop to explore the production secrets of the smart labels. This is the constant temperature and dust-free inlay bonding workshop of Mind. This is the German new bonding machine, which can efficiently complete the glue spring, die placement, hot pressing, and testing of chip wafer bonding. The Voyantic equipment from Finland. This small instrument can simulate the various actual usage scenarios to perform multifaceted testing on the label. Opposite the inlay bonding workshop is the label compounding workshop. These machines used for compounding, die cutting, and rolling. Labels with a certain thickness can be compounded. Here, each label must be tested and the data written. You can also set different sizes according to your needs and add your brand logo. Finally, our cooperating express companies such as UPS, FedEx, or DHL will deliver the product to you or your customers safely and promptly. Of course, environmental protection treatment is also essential during the production process. We use this system to ensure that Mind's emissions meet the standards. The above is a brief introduction to the label production of Mind Factory. If you have any needs for labels, just scan the code to contact Mind staff. We have a professional design team and a business team that will provide 24-hour consulting services. Mind makes label business very simple.